See?
Always.
How I function.
But this is what our vision is to have people come and use it however they are inspired. We have events here, and then of course the yoga. You were upstairs, and you filmed a lot of the yoga.
Yes.
It's beautiful. I just think it's the prettiest yoga studio
It
in
is.
Cleveland.
It is.
With those beautiful crystals and the painting, and so anyway. And then these gals, Emily and Wynn, are trying to figure out our first show. Well, since my son passed, of art, and get the gallery and art thing going, because that was his vision, art and wellness, two things that go together.
Okay. So what
Yeah.
type of art are you ladies looking for right now?
Well, we actually have a call out for artists.
Okay.
And how could they find that call for artists?
Share with you. It's online on Instagram. I think I'll like to share it on there. It's on our website. So,
And the Instagram is Pop Life Plea, right?
Correct.
Pop Life Plea. Yeah, and the website, and it's just the coolest building, and I think Collinwood is just kind of up and coming. And hopefully, be the new Tremont, the new Ohio City at some point. But it's really got a lot of character, and things are starting to happen here a little bit more. And people are starting to discover it.
So, ladies, what's the main thing that you want people outside of the community to know? Like, it may be someone that's over in Solon or Bedford, and they're like, we need a space that's not the birchwood or the Mediterranean. What would you reckon?
Well, yeah, I just want people to know about it, to know that it's here, and then to come and get inspired and be about hey, we could have a birthday here, or hey, we could have, the restaurant opening, or hey, let's have our AA meeting here. And I would also love like a church or something to go on Sunday, like a spiritual. That's kind of my interest and focus in offering something of real transformation. So Riley and I are working on a Course in Miracles brochure. We've got a lot of takeaway handouts over there, and I've got a little Christian one, and then the one that I just showed you, Gal. Do you have it handy?
it's right over here.
Anyway, it's Self-Realization Fellowship Yogananda, but and then a Jung, Carl Jung, for living a whole life. And anyway, yeah. So just these are nice.
Yeah, I
little
noticed the Bhagavad Gita when I walked in
takeaways.
over there.
Yeah, but to offer just just an expanded higher vibration, and transparency is the new currency. As you can see up there, we just had that painted. My son told me that on his opening in November, and ever since I heard that, I really got tears in my eyes, because that is really where we're at as humanity and on the planet. It's just becoming, that's what's happening. Transparency is the new currency. No more darkness, no more hiding, no more secrets. It's all coming out. And it's a little rocky and a little ugly and a little weird, but we're moving into really the fifth dimension, which is going to be awesome for everyone. So, you might have to hold on a little bit, but have faith, because that's totally where it's at.